How's it going, Steel Ankles fans? So here's my new 2024 Golf R. Here's the Racingline hood strut. I thought it was a cool idea since this car didn't come with one. So I figured, why not install it? So pop the hood. We're going to be removing this crop rod. So it already has the ball here already. And we're going to be putting the ball up here where it goes. And we're going to remove this prop rod here. And this little ball right here. First thing you do is loosen this 10 millimeter.
Remove this 10 millimeter nut.
There we go. I just took one of these nuts off of here and then screwed that new ball on there, and then it'll snap onto this ball that's already existing. And we're going to take this prop rod off. Let's see how it works. Alright, so I unscrewed that 10 millimeter nut, screwed the new one on. I didn't torque it, I just tightened it, and then I put some grease on it, some axle grease or just some grease I had out here. Here's the other ball that I greased there too, and then we're going to snap it in. The new hood strut. Station goes like so. So we'll snap it in down here. Just pushed it on, snaps in. Turn it a little bit here. Snapped in. That'll do it. We've got to take this out. This hood won't close if you leave it in. There we go. Comes out like that. No more prop rod. Sure it closes. There we go. Again, now I got a hood shock. That's way better. First mod. Sweet.